Asset Lifecycle Management, a complete guide for 2023. The concept of Asset Lifecycle Management, or ALM, has been a cornerstone of enterprise operations for years. And its importance is only growing. ALM plays a crucial role in helping businesses effectively manage the acquisition, maintenance, and disposal of their assets and resources. Let's take a closer look at the stages of Asset Lifecycle Management. 1. Planning. It involves identifying and prioritizing assets and creating a plan for their acquisition, maintenance, and disposal. 2. Procurement. This stage focuses on acquiring the necessary assets and finding the best vendors and cost-effective options. 3. Deployment. This stage includes installation, configuration, and integration into the organization's operational environment. 4. Utilization. Assets are used efficiently and effectively to achieve desired outcomes. 5. Maintenance. Ensuring assets remain in good working order through regular inspections and repairs. 6. Disposal. When assets are no longer needed or become obsolete, they must be responsibly disposed of. Effective asset lifecycle management offers numerous benefits for businesses. It improves operational efficiency, increases return on investment, and reduces the risk of downtime. To succeed in asset lifecycle management, it's important to follow some best practices. Create a comprehensive inventory, develop a lifecycle management plan, use asset tracking tools, conduct regular maintenance, train staff, monitor asset performance, and dispose of assets responsibly. To support asset lifecycle management, organizations use various tools and technologies. These include enterprise resource planning systems, computerized maintenance management systems, IoT sensors, geographic information systems, RFID, and predictive analytics. In conclusion, asset lifecycle management is vital for businesses seeking operational efficiency, cost savings, compliance, risk management, sustainability, and effective decision-making. Read our full blog Asset Lifecycle Management, a complete guide for 2023 at Infraon blog.